2, 3, start. Sorry. Flowers are pretty and so are sunsets and so are you. It's the official love month and today we'll be talking of self-love. If you are somebody who has always believed that love is all about giving and self-love is kind of selfish, then do watch the video till the very end. Firstly, there's a huge difference between self-love and self-obsession. Self-obsession builds upon narcissism and ego. It's more like I know everything, I am the best and I don't give a F about anybody else. Whereas self-love is built upon self-awareness. In Vex King's words, self-love is the balance between accepting yourself as you are while knowing you deserve better and then working towards it. Real self-love is a beautiful journey. It's about self-acceptance and being aware of your flaws, your mistakes, your strengths and embracing them all and loving yourself regardless of them. Our book of the day is Good Vibes, Good Life by Vex King, and the best part is the simplicity with which Vex King has explained the deeper concepts of self-love. I'm so happy that many of you who follow me on Instagram have already started this read, but if you haven't, I highly recommend that you do. Self-love is important because the most important relationship in your life will always be the one that you have with your own self. Think of how you treat people you love and give yourself the same amount of love every single day. No failure, no struggle is ever so big to hold you back if you love yourself enough. You want to be successful, you want to be happy, you want to be anything good in your life, you gotta invest in self-love first. One can never pour from an empty cup and you can only offer things to others when you have it yourself. Practicing self-love helps you prevent self-sabotage. A couple of years back, I used to go into self-sabotage mode very quickly only because I lacked self-love. Realize that you have to save yourself before you save others. You have to love yourself before you love others. Make efforts to stop with the negative self-talk and feeling guilt and shame unnecessarily from time to time. Because at the end of the day, who's gonna be there for you? Your own self. Who's gonna be there with you till your last breath? Your own self. And so it's important to maintain a healthy, loving relationship with yourself. Otherwise, it's gonna be a tough ride for you. Consciously investing in self-love sets the standard because every other relationship is built upon that, romantic or not. When you be in love vibration, you'll find yourself surrounded by it. So many people even use rose quartz, which is supposed to have a love energy. It is used during meditation and also worn as jewelry to surround yourself with a loving, positive, healing energy all the time. How you treat yourself ultimately reflects how you treat others. So have courage enough to take decisions for you and your happiness. Self-love boosts your confidence and gives you a sense of freedom because you embrace your true authentic self. You provide yourself with an inner validation and so it helps you care less about what other people think of you. It even helps you to feel less of those jealous emotions because you know you are unique and everybody has their own paths and you become content with yourself and stop comparing yourself with other people. It's important that we do little things every day that our heart wants, surround ourselves with people who lift us up, spend time in our own company and take ourselves out on solo dates. We should be making healthy boundaries and know where the need of others stop and our needs start. It's time you stop judging yourself for being you. Stop with the useless shame and guilt and go easy on yourself. Start investing in becoming self-aware, recognize your unhealthy patterns and habits and work towards bettering them only when it genuinely comes from within, from a place of love. Self-love is the beginning of everything. Respect yourself and prioritize self-care. Have the realization of when to work, when to relax and have compassion for yourself throughout. Energy is highly contagious. Loving yourself will give you the power to shower love to others. It's your responsibility to take care of yourself. You're worthy, you're lovable, and I'm sending you so much love this Valentine's. And I hope that you also leave me some hearts down below in the comments. Do subscribe to the channel for more such content. I'll see you in my next one.